In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send an email directly from a Trello board using automation. This is perfect if you want to quickly share card details, notify someone outside Trello, or create a simple email workflow without using third-party tools. By the end of this video, you'll have a custom button inside Trello that sends an email with your card information in just one click. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello guides. All right, let's get started. First, open Trello and go to the board where you want to set this up. Once you're inside your board, look at the top right corner and click on Automation. This opens Trello's built-in automation tool, also known as Butler. Butler allows you to create rules, buttons, and scheduled commands to automate actions inside your board. Inside the automation panel, click on Buttons. Buttons let you create custom actions that run when you manually click them. Since we want to send an email on demand, we'll create a card button. Now click on Create button. You'll be prompted to give your button a name. Choose something clear and descriptive, like Email Card or Send Email. This is the label you'll see later inside each card. After naming your button, click on Plus Add Action. This is where we define what happens when the button is clicked. From the list of action categories, click on Content. Under Content, select the option to send an email. Trello allows you to send emails directly through Butler by specifying the recipient and message details. Now type in your email address in the recipient field. You can also enter multiple email addresses if needed, separated by commas. Next, add a subject line for your email. For example, you can type something like Card Update from Trello. In the message body section, this is where things get powerful. Type open curly brackets, then card name, and then close curly brackets. So it should look like this: open brace, card name, close brace. This dynamic variable will automatically insert the name of the card into the email message. You can also add extra text around it, like "Here are the details for," and then include the card name variable. This ensures every email contains the correct card information. Once you've filled in the recipient, subject, and message, click the plus icon to add the action to your button configuration. Then click Save to finalize your automation button. After saving, close the automation panel to return to your board. Now let's test it. Click on Add a card in any list on your board. Type in a card name. This will be the title that gets sent in the email. After entering the name, click Add Card or press Enter to create it. Open the card you just created. Inside the card view, click on Automations. You'll now see the button you created earlier, for example, Email Card. Click on that button. As soon as you press it, Trello will trigger the automation and send the email to the address you specified. Go ahead and check your inbox. You should receive an email containing the card name in the message body, exactly as configured. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom automation in Trello that allows you to send emails directly from a board with just one click. This is extremely useful for task notifications, approvals, client updates, or quickly sharing card information with anyone who isn't inside Trello. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Trello automation tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.